Greetings, viewers. Thank you for joining us on Healthy You today, where we discuss life's ultimate coolant and hydration source. Water, often called the elixir of life, is fundamental to our existence. It's more than just a drink to quench our thirst. It's the lifeblood of our bodies, involved in countless physiological processes that keep us going. From regulating body temperature to transporting nutrients, water is non-negotiable for optimal health. Understanding the importance of hydration and adopting healthy habits to maintain it can significantly impact our overall well-being. Staying adequately hydrated is about more than just avoiding dehydration. It's about empowering our bodies to function at their best. When we're properly hydrated, we think more clearly, our energy levels soar, and our bodies can efficiently perform their intricate tasks. In this discussion, we will delve into the science of hydration, equipping you with the knowledge and practical strategies to maintain optimal water balance for a healthier, more vibrant you. Every cell, tissue, and organ in our body relies on water to function correctly. It acts as a solvent, dissolving essential nutrients and minerals, carrying them through the bloodstream to nourish every cell. Water also plays a crucial role in regulating body temperature, acting as a coolant during physical activity or hot weather. Think of your body as a complex engine, with water acting as the lubricant, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Proper hydration aids in digestion, allowing for efficient nutrient absorption and waste removal. It also helps maintain electrolyte balance, which is crucial for muscle function and nerve impulses. From lubricating joints and cushioning organs to maintaining skin elasticity, water is involved in virtually every aspect of our health and well-being. While the general recommendation for daily water intake is 8 glasses, individual needs can vary significantly. Factors like age, body weight, activity level, and climate all play a role in determining your optimal hydration level. For instance, children and pregnant or breastfeeding women have higher water requirements due to their body's increased demands. Athletes and individuals living in hot, humid climates also need to consume more fluids to compensate for water loss through sweat. Consulting with a healthcare professional can provide personalized recommendations based on your specific needs and lifestyle. Remember, thirst is your body's signal that it's already experiencing mild dehydration, so it's best to sip water consistently throughout the day rather than waiting until you feel thirsty. As temperatures rise, so does our need for hydration. During the summer months, our bodies lose water more rapidly through sweat, making it crucial to increase our fluid intake. Not only does this help regulate body temperature, but it also prevents heat-related illnesses like heat exhaustion and heat stroke.